Okay, since I'm
Okay.
recording, okay, so let me quickly again. Okay, so here I created this model by myself. I haven't imported from CYPE or any other solution. So then here you have the connections, or you can, just select this one, okay, and then click on this connections. And here I have it. So I'm in the operation side. And if you want to edit the load, you need to go to analysis, okay? But here, assume that if you don't have actually the good operation here, if you want, or let's say you didn't complete the model, you cannot go to analysis. And that's why, the software give you some kind of error to complete your modeling. So that's why here we just apply, the weld here by cutting the beam to the PV column. And then, so now I'm okay, and then I will go to analysis. So here I have load cases and loads, okay? If I click on load cases, so here right now I have one load cases. I can add more, okay? For example, here load case 2, load case 3, okay? As you can add as much as you want, and then accept. So now you can come to load, okay? Just click on the load. So here you have this window. So
Okay.
yeah, the loads, okay? And then here you have PEB column as bearing member or the main member, okay? And then you can go to the beam. You see here, you have the L1, LC1, LC2, LC3, okay? And from here, I can add actually now for different type of loads, okay? For example, in load combination 1, I can apply the tension force, for example, 20 kilonewton. And then so from here also, you can look at the, let's say, let's say, the principle of the loads that you have, okay? So if you want to apply the shear, okay, so you need to go to a VZ, let's say vertical shear, okay? So as you can see, the VZ is here, okay? So that's why here, for example, like we'll say minus, for example, 8, okay? And then, so for the major moment, so here you need to apply around the Y axis, okay? You see here, you have the Y, and then, so the major moment will be MY. Okay, so here I will say my, also I will say 9, for example. Okay, so
Yeah,
then here,
Khalid, I think my problem is I doesn't appear this page lah. I mean the after I click the load, I can only see one member of me lah. I can only see one member, not two like yours. Then I don't
okay,
have any separate tab lah for this
so
input.
okay, so how many member you created? So this is the question.
Two members.
Two members, but you can see only one,
Yeah.
one. Okay, so you send me the image of that because I didn't open it. Okay, so here let me just enter, but unable to input load. So maybe you can send the model to me, or once actually
Okay.
you have access to your computer. Okay, let me know, and then so let's have a quick session. Okay, because
Okay, I send you the
yeah,
model first. All right.
yeah, you can send me the
Okay.
model, and then yeah, I will show.
Because when I draw the connection, can you go back to the model page? Yeah, model that
Model. Okay,
uh the
okay.
model is when
Oh, okay, okay. Most probably you
I
use this one, yeah. You use bar. Did you use this
I
option?
yeah, I think I use bar. Before go to
No,
the
no,
model, there is
no, no, no.
another.
Yeah,
No,
that's why. You see, to
oh,
create the model, okay, let me close this. And then so
okay.
assume that, yeah, I will go to new. Okay, so let's say here, any name. Okay, select the project, new project. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so let me, if you want to create, based on whatever I saw from your connection, okay, so I will go to here, add, okay, so just click add, and then here I will say, for example, connection 1, okay, and then you had one main beam, okay, so just click here, and then here I will say, for example, main beam, okay.
Okay.
So from here, so I'm not sure what section you are using, but from here, let's say I will say S275, accept, and then from here, you see, if you want to use the UB section or UC section and you cannot find it here, okay? So let me just accept. You can go back to here, library, okay? Just click on the library. And then here you have the elements, click on that. Okay, as you can see here, you have all the imported sections, okay? Go to this option. import our predefined section. Just click on that. And then here you can go to European section, okay? And then here you have the UB and UC or whatever you want to bring, okay? So let me select the UB and UC, accept, accept, accept. Okay, so now let me go back to the model. So I won't go to model or operations, okay? So still I need to edit this one under the main interface, okay? So here I will go to edit, just click on edit. And here, right now, I have access to, let's say, UB sections, okay? So here, let's say, select one of these UB sections, assume that this one, and then accept. Okay, so this one can be continuous bar, okay? So this is the continuous bar here at the bottom, you have it. Okay, and then so you want to add two beams, for example, here, okay? So I will take a copy of this, you see here, copy. But this one I will make it as, let's say, like this. Here I have it. And you see this, this is the local coordinate system, okay? And here also you can see the local coordinate system. So then here you need to rotate it about the z-axis, okay? The angle about the z-axis. So here I will rotate it by 90 degree. Okay, so here, this is the beam. Let me here select, you know, a smaller beam. Just I want to show you, you know, the workflow, okay? So here I will select, for example, this one. Okay, here you have something like this. And again, so you can go to this one, you can change the name, you can say beam 1, enter. Sorry. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, and then so here I will make a copy, and then so I will go to this one and say beam 2. Okay, so now I have beam 2, and from here again, so I need to rotate this one about the axis that I have here. Okay, so let's say minus 90. Okay, and then here again, I will change this one to a smaller size that I want. Okay, let's say, for example, something like this. Okay, so this is the thing. And then, so right now my model is complete. Okay, so then I will accept. So this is the thing that I have. And then, so I will go to connection. Okay, so this is the way. Click on connection. And then here you have it. And then I can go to, let's say, trim or adjust bar. Let me adjust the beam 1 to main beam. Okay, I will weld it. And then so make a copy of this. Okay, and then here I will say beam 2. Okay, to main beam. Here I will say to let me see, adjustment. There is no need to adjust connection section. The operation cannot be applied to selected element. Okay, let me just look at this first. There is no need to adjust connection section. Okay. Let me go to weld. Okay, so I will go to the weld. And then I will say that the section B1 to main beam. Okay, and then here I will go for fillet weld. Okay, so the beam 1 actually is the, okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so the beam 1 is the continuous beam. Okay, and then here I have another beam, which is this one. Okay, I need to correct my model. Okay, so if I go
So,
back there.
Khalid, generally when I create my beam, I need to go to here lah, right? This add
Yes.
notes lah,
Yes.
right?
Yes, after having this, okay, so here you can go
Okay.
to analysis, okay, and then here you have it, okay. So if you go to the load, okay, beam 1, beam 2,
Okay.
okay, so
Okay.
you
Okay. All right.
okay, so
Understand.
yeah, so the procedure is like this. So you need to create your model from here, not using the bar. Actually, you know, the bar that you have here, usually we call it, you know, as a stiffening member, okay.
Oh,
Sometimes,
Stephen.
yeah,
All right.
sometimes, for example, you have, you know, a column like this, and then here you have, you know, a end plate, and then here you have the beam. Okay, so maybe here you want to add, you know, another member here, another section member here, something like this. Okay, so this you can use bar. So you cannot,
Okay.
yeah, you cannot apply the bar to, or let's say apply the load to this bar here. Okay.
Okay, all right, all right.
Yeah, this is the case.
Understand. Okay, understand. I understand now.
Okay, so
Okay.
I think that's it. I tried to use Site Connect Classic but cannot proceed. Okay, you also said that you were using the Site Connect Classic, yeah? So which means you were using Site Connect, this one, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so usually we don't recommend, to use Site Connect Classic, okay? Because this one, I can say that actually no, work with CypCAD and Cyp3D, okay? You can open it, okay? So right now I didn't download it even because within this 6 years that I'm working with Cyp, I never ever used Cyp Connect Classic separately.
Oh,
Okay, so
why
you
why
can
is it for the Site Connect Classic is
ac-
what is the
actually.
yeah.
Yeah, actually, they I mean, at the beginning, I don't know, maybe 30 years ago, so they developed this one, okay? But later they implemented in Cyp3D and CypCAD to work completely with Cyp3D and CypCAD, okay?
Oh,
And yeah, so this is the one thing, and another thing is that actually this is for standard type connections, okay? However, using Site Connect still, so you can go for standard type connections up to, let's say, complex connection. Doesn't matter, what type of configuration you have. So that's I can tell you that, once you want to come up, with Site Connect to, let's say, Site 3D, assume that to create column connection. Just go there. So here, let me just accept whatever I have. Okay. And from here, I will go to the bar, select the bar that you have. Okay, so here, assume that you have a 3-meter column. Okay, and then here you have, for example, I don't know, 3-meter beam as well. But this one, actually here, you can just specify a support. Okay, so here to represent as symmetry. Okay, so here I will say, here I have the pin. Okay, and then so at the bottom, so you may go for, let's say, fix. Okay, so right now you have the condition of the connection. And then so you can apply the load or whatever you have. So here, I don't want to apply any load, just calculate. Okay, calculate it. Okay, and then go to connection. So here you can go to the joint, you can click on this. Okay, so here you have it. And then you can tell the software to design it as welded connection or bolted connection for you. But according actually now to live load or whatever external load you have. So right now I didn't apply any load just to show you, to come up, quickly with the configuration of the connection. And then so here you can use the smart design option to get help from the software to design it as a bolted connection or welded connection. You got it?
yep, yep.
Is that clear, V?
Yeah, yeah, clear.
Okay, so yeah, so that's why I'm saying, so for using the, or let's say standard type connections, so you don't need to use this one separately, okay? Just come to CypCAD or Cyp3D and create, the condition of the column and beam and apply the loads, and then so you can design it.
Okay, so generally, basically, the Connect Classic is not in use lah most of the time because mostly we use Site Connect lah, and then connect the Site
Yes,
3D
correct,
and CAD. Yeah.
correct,
Okay.
correct, correct, correct.
Okay.
So
All
yeah,
right. All right.
that's it.
Okay.
Okay,
Understand. Understand. All right. All
yeah.
right.
Okay, any other question?
Okay. I think that's all so far. Yeah.
Okay. And regarding the, let's say proposal, I think this week I cannot, I mean, during the weekdays, because,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
yeah, Thursday and Friday, I have very important presentation. I need to prepare myself. And then,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
so we
Okay.
want it to next week. Yeah. So next week, any day that you propose, so I can select one. And you prefer at the evening, yeah? So let's say 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., something like that, or
Yeah.
during
Yeah.
the week hours, or let's say day work hours.
Uh, Prefer 5 p.m.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
then I will come back to you on let's say
Okay.
this coming weekend. Yeah, so we will confirm.
All right. All right.
Okay, okay, V.
Okay.
care.
All
Take
right,
care and keep
thanks.
in touch. Yeah. Any other question, please just let me know. Yeah.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Okay, most welcome. You want me
All right.
to share this recording with you, or are
Yeah,
you
yeah,
keeping it?
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. No, no problem. No problem.
Thanks.
Okay, most welcome. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.